Hi Victoria, this is Dr. Hadley creating a screencast to show you how to create multiple postings on the same blog that would have a single URL. I see that you created um, several separate blogs for each blog post. That is not what you'd want to do. If you were going to have somebody read your blog post, the whole value of that is in having it be like a journal or a diary. So they go to your diary blog and they can see different entries without having to click out of the document. They can just go in and scroll. So what I'm going to do now is, this is a screencast just to give you an overview of how to do it. So this, I'm in a blog. This is actually, I'm actually testing this one, so I'll do it and then I'll get out of it. But here's test blog post number 1, and this is my test blog post number 1, and I scroll down. You could save. I'm just going to hit publish. Okay, I published it. View post. You can see the post. All right, now this is a blog. This is post number 1. You do not have to create a separate blog post. All you have to do is go up here where it says new post in the upper right, click there, and it's going to give you an opportunity to create a new post. So this is test blog post number 2, and type in whatever you have for your second post. Test blog post number 2 content. You go down. You could preview it if you want. You just go down. You could save it if you want to save it without it being published. But once you're ready, you click publish post number 2 and then view post. Now what it's going to do, it's going to show me that second post. That's post number 2. But what I want to see is the whole blog. So if I go back to February, or I could even go to 2011 to see the whole blog, I would see the whole thing. So what you'd see is there's some other content below it, but you'd see test blog post number 1, then right above it test blog post number 2. So it's in reverse chronological order. The most recent, or it's actually in chronological order, the most recent posts are at the top. So that's all you have to do. You just stay in the same blog. Every time you finish one blog post, you hit new post and it'll give you the opportunity to create a new one. So go back to the first assignment that you did, and you can cut and paste the content that you had from your second blog and paste it into your first blog, but just as a separate blog post. All right? If you have any questions, let me know, but you should be able to have a better understanding of that now. And that way, you should only have one URL, one blog that you're posting all of your content in throughout this semester. If you have any questions, you can ask me next week. Hope you have a good weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.